Michael Lewrick's The Design Thinking Life Playbook, Empower Yourself, applies design thinking principles to personal development and life design. The book emphasizes a hands-on, creative approach to designing a fulfilling life by blending self-reflection, iterative experimentation, and goal setting. The author draws on the core tenets of design thinking, empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing to help readers tackle life's challenges with innovation and adaptability. The book starts with an exploration of how individuals can define their core values and life purpose, encouraging readers to reflect deeply on what truly matters to them. Through structured exercises and visualization tools, Lewrick shows how to clarify priorities and uncover hidden passions, which serve as the foundation for the life blueprint. This blueprint acts as a guide for aligning one's goals, relationships, and actions with their personal vision. Lewrick introduces the concept of life prototyping, urging readers to approach life with a mindset of experimentation. Instead of being paralyzed by fear of failure, the book encourages individuals to try new activities, test assumptions about their interests and abilities, and learn through feedback. By adopting a flexible approach, readers can refine their goals and identify what brings the most joy and meaning. The author also discusses the importance of fostering collaboration and empathy in personal growth. By seeking input from trusted mentors, friends, and communities, individuals can gain new perspectives and uncover opportunities they may not have seen alone. This social aspect of life design aligns with the collaborative nature of design thinking and highlights the value of shared experiences and support. Finally, the book highlights the iterative nature of life design. Lewrick underscores that life is not a linear journey, but an ongoing process of trial, error, and growth. He equips readers with strategies for staying resilient and adaptable in the face of setbacks, ensuring that they view challenges as opportunities for learning and evolution rather than obstacles to success. Life lessons from the Design Thinking Life Playbook. Adopt a growth mindset. Embrace the idea that life is an iterative process. Instead of fearing failure, view it as a chance to learn, grow, and refine your approach to achieving your goals. Design around your values. Start by understanding your core values and life purpose. Use these as a compass to guide your decisions and ensure alignment between your actions and your personal vision. Prototype your life. Treat your life like a design project by experimenting with new ideas, hobbies, and goals. Test your assumptions and gather feedback to identify what truly works for you. Collaborate and seek empathy. Leverage the perspectives of others to gain insights about yourself and your journey. Collaboration and empathy enrich the process of personal growth and help uncover hidden opportunities. Stay resilient and adaptable. Life is full of uncertainties, but by adopting a flexible and resilient mindset, you can navigate setbacks and use them as stepping stones to future successes.